That was so sad. But we are going to switch gears because Chef Steven is live in our studio this morning.
We'll liven it up quite a bit, you know?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're getting ready for New Year's, which is just a few days away. Of course, Christmas was a fun time. I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. Yeah. But, yeah, now it's time to celebrate the new year, the new decade, and, yeah. You know,
we have a lot of food here on the set today, so I still can't believe New Year's is only a few days away, but we have a lot of good food, I'm assuming, for New Year's parties.
Yes, a lot of the times you go to a New Year's Eve party, finger foods, things like that. I don't know about y'all, I mean, sometimes, you know, growing up in South Texas, it was menudo, tamales, things like that. San Antonio, it was all that, plus finger foods. You have all the toothpicks and chips and dips, and, you know, there's a lot going on. Exactly, there's a lot going on. But right now, we've actually got all of our Fisher and Weiser sauces. They're on sale for $2 off, so they come out to $4.99 after coupon. These are fantastic. Now, of course, you've seen a lot of them with cream cheese, you know, the fruity, the spicy sauces. As you can see, today we're bringing some of the unsung heroes, the savory sauces, the little bit of the spicier sauces, you know?
So, how spicy, Chef Steven?
You know, they're not really that spicy. They're not as spicy as they lead on. They'll build up for a second, and then they just kind of die down. So let's dive in, shall we?
Where do we even start? Because this all looks fantastic.
You know what? Let's start with some sausage. So we're getting our Better Than Good brand sausage. I don't know about y'all, but I do really like this because a lot of the time when you get sausage, all you taste is smoke. You know, with this one, you get a little sweetness, a little savory. You get that little bit of smoke to it, that little tiny spice kick to it. And of course, we're adding this spicy Moroccan sauce, which not very spicy. Very tasty, very delicious, very versatile. That is the biggest thing to keep in mind. These sauces, put them on so many different things. So just because we're putting them with sausage means nothing, really. You know, throw it with your steaks, throw it with your salmon, just to name a couple things. You know, we love doing that there at the Cooking Connection, you know. How's that treating you?
It's delicious. Is it weird that I want to put that sauce on pasta?
No, that's not a weird thing at all.
It would kind of be good with the sausage.
I would imagine, a little of that tomato sauce, some of that spicy Moroccan kick to it. It does have a lot of those chili flakes and whatnot, so that's where you're getting some of that spicy from. But I dig it.
It's not too spicy, right?
No.
Yeah, I'm such a wimp. You know, my taste buds, they can only handle so much. I can do hot Cheetos, but I can't do spicy sauces. That was really good.
Excellent.
Yes,
well, let's move on just a little bit. We've also got a little bit of our crab dip. Now, we do have those prepared there at the store in our awesome seafood market. You know, they come with some crab, a little bit of some almonds. So if you are allergic to almonds, I do apologize. You can't do that. But we're doing a little bit of our lemon dill caper sauce. Now, that's another sauce, again, that it doesn't get as much credit as it should. It's fantastic.
Wow.
Throw it with all sorts of seafood. Throw it with your pork, your chicken. This would be another one that you could definitely put with some pasta as well. You know, you got that nice bright flavors of the capers, the lemon. You got that savory. A lot of the times I'm not a big dill person, but I have to eat those words when I say that because I actually really love this sauce.
I would love this on a sandwich too, like a mini ham sandwich.
I could definitely see that.
Hawaiian rolls.
Yeah, exactly. And we're also bringing back our truffle chips, you know. So if you didn't get those for Christmas, you can definitely get those for your New Year's Eve party.
I cannot wait to keep eating this. The truffle chips are back. If you remember from last week, I was so shocked at how much I love them. But stay with us here on Good Morning Basin because we will have some more from Chef Steven. And I'm just going to keep eating.
Yeah. Sounds good.